Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the 403 forbidden error. So if a website won't load or keeps showing this error, follow along step by step to get it working again. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your web browser. Now, head to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Next, choose Third-Party Cookies, then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type the name of the website that's giving you the 403 error into the search bar. When it shows up, click the trash icon to clear its cache files. This will remove any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. Now, let's check your browser extensions. On the left-hand side, click on Extensions. Disable any active extensions one by one. Some extensions can sometimes block websites or interfere with loading pages. Once that's done, try opening the website again. Most of the time, this solves the 403 forbidden error. If it works, great. If not, don't worry, you can also try using a different browser. If the issue is related to your browser, this simple switch usually fixes it. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to solve the 403 forbidden error and get back to browsing without interruptions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy guides.